disunity among Latin America nationalists. The nationalists fight not only the Spain and Portugal, but also each other, mainly for the disunity. 1821, the Central America seceded from Mexico. Seceded means பிரிக்கப்பட்டது from Mexico. And in 1839, the Central America itself split into five republics, and Uruguay split from the Brazil in 1826, and 1830 the Venezuela and Ecuador from the peninsulas and the Ecuador seceded from the Grand Colombia, the Republic of created by the Bolivar. So 1821 Central America seceded from Mexico. 1839 the Central America the split from these five republics. The Uruguay split from the Brazil in 1829, and some others of the 1830 Venezuela and Ecuador the split. Next topic for the U.S. imperial interest. So, in Asia 20th centuries, United States occupied in this Peru and occupied in the Cuba and the Peru. After the 20th centuries, the United States occupied Cuba and Puerto Rico. So, the 20th centuries, the United States occupied in this mainly for the Cuba and Puerto Rico. The after defeated in this Spanish in 1898. From the 1898 to 1902, the Cuba was ruled by the USA. So the military rules. When finally the America left the Cuba, so only controlled by the naval stations. They detailed only naval stations. After the Roosevelt made an important amendment to the doctrines in 1904. In 1904, the Roosevelt, the important amendment in 1904, the authorized the USA interventions in Latin America. In order to maintain order. After effecting this amendment, the USA became the dominant of the influence not only the political but also the economically. So in this topic, mainly for the 20th centuries, USA controlled by the Cuba and Puerto Rico after defeated in the Spanish in 1898. So 1898 to 1902, the America was controlled by the Cuba military rules. So America controlled then Cuba. After leave the Cuba, only the America controlled by the naval stations. After that, the amendment of these doctrines in FDR Roosevelt, the authorized the USA intervention in the Latin America in order to maintain the orders. Become the amendment, the USA became the dominated the influence of these politicals, but also the economics also. Next topic, great depressions in South America, the great differences in South America. In situation created by the great differences made it possibles of mainly the oligarchy regimes of the accommodated the rising of experiments of the several obsequious the groups. One is the Mexico. There was a violent social protest involving dissatisfied the government of the oligarchy, mainly for dissatisfied and middle class intellectuals and the peasant communities elsewhere. The electoral reforms of enabled new social groups to obtain the political power through the ballot box. The social group to obtain the political powers through the ballot box. So the Latin America, the protested the America, the interventions and the disliked the dollar imperialisms. So the Latin America, the protest the American interventions, disliked the dollar imperialism. The opposite the political interventions that produced a change in the USA. So activities of the change. The policy after 1933, the Franklin T. Roosevelt, the FDR, was good neighbor policies agreed. The good neighbors, the neighbors countries, agreed that the US could not interfere in these neighbors countries, the internal affairs of any state, and could give the economic and technical assistance of Latin America. So the America, the help to the other countries for the technicals and the assistance of the Latin America, economic and technical assistance of this Latin America. Thank you.